I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable seamlessly integrated with NetSuite. Today, I will walk you through the steps to refund an authorized customer return. Once a return is approved, the refund is issued either as a credit memo or a cash refund, depending on the type of return authorization used. If this advanced receiving feature is enabled, returned items must be received before issuing the credit. If only part of the authorized return is received, customers are credited for only the portions received. So you can go to Transactions, Customers, Refund Returns. We then need to select the customer, and under the credit refund column on the left hand side, you can check the return you want to credit and then click Submit. While this happens, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more useful videos and tutorials. So a credit memo or cash refund appears, in this case a credit memo. It is based on your return authorization type. Just review all the information and then you click on Save in the top left. If you're finding this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like. For printing then the credit memos or cash refunds, you can use the Print Checks and Forms sections in Transactions Management. I have a video on that, so just have a look at it. And then you choose either credit memos or receipts. You can also enable the Refund in Advance return preference to refund a return before it is received. So that's it. Have a look at the comment sections to join the NetSuite newsletter and see you in the next video.